Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi Q5 S-Line 40 TDI Quattro. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Mythos black metallic paintwork, in which is really give it that classy appearance. Moving on now to the key features, and with this being the S-Line trim level, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional chrome styling around, which is complementing the black paintwork, and with this being the S-Line model, it does also benefit from the additional front bumper and rear bumper design. Moving on now to the exterior key features, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys, we find these optional 19-inch 5 twin-spoke star design alloys, and they do really complement the black paintwork, as well as contrasting against the rest of the aluminium elements. To the side now, there is the rear privacy glass, in which does keep those rear occupants from view, so it's continuing that overall black theme. Moving into the rear boot space of the Q5 now, where we do find up to 535 litres of storage capacity. It is a large amount for an SUV of this size. This can easily accommodate 3 larger suitcases as well as a few additional bags. Now moving into the rear seats, there is a half leather and half Alcantara interior. Besides this, there is a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort, and there are Isofix points neatly located across the back row, but there's also more than enough leg space to carry 3 occupants comfortably. Taking a look into the front, we do find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Alcantara and aluminium. With this being the S-Line trim level, it does mean you get the half leather seats in which you have the S logo engraved. Above now there is the virtual cockpit, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters. Then by pressing the view button on the left hand side, you can change the view of the overall display. And now to the centre of the dashboard, there is this very impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the sat-nav navigation, and this is also allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Further below this, there is the equally impressive digital dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and the heated seat functionalities are located either side of this for both front occupants. To the screen above once again now, there is a reversing camera as well as the rear and front parking sensors, making this vehicle much easier to park in those tighter spaces. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months of roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.